Eti currently no oko media no so dia Mahama ene Sam George aswa ye hyepe yi amafo eke kabichirom ni nyina fa esma etwago mountain so Mahama de Chief Justice Torkono na just suspended ye no and some fro bi apopia ama omu dem no e wo media so be Sam George and so abeka so obeso cleaning up the media space atimdidi on the internet no obeso de mre bi ba ebe ba ne sad ni nyina e no enipa ni bi abe clash with Sam George say masa ontimi ne enka da asem no obreso ye o ya wo de ma yesu anye de it better one boss adwua se nyina mo ate asanso atrewa adwene ama me e wo comment section aha Penyah block media metro say ni dem obe like video no under ma subscribe button so be click notification icon no latest updates na be tire wa adwene de ama me e wo comment section metro so baswa no wa share video more for so anya bi ahwe let's start with excellence obe ya to be wie ye Mahama etena kunya so ene hu no say dem pe bi cast Chief Justice Right Justice Torkono onko ye sanction no ye nyina di any ade ade later ene hu say Mahama aform committee be say omunya investigation to Chief Justice na bra bomoni ade cause na enipa mensa bi the petition aba a petition so na ye gina the Chief Justice every one appointing the pafofro a petition ba ko na edika ene say obi e bi allege say onya asem a ode call Supreme Court no Chief Justice you what ya no there ye nyina no so empam Chief Justice e ma ne nko what they say ana face ni pani be so allege say Chief Justice ye nyina the every say obetena so no ode Nikunu ene ne ma etu kwai etia na they claim say or the oman sika ene de nikunu be tu kwai etia nyina we so eva nyina di ebi so o je bribe or dias no dia sembi or je bribe any ade etia de nyina so enfampa I say these three nyina ba nyina no to me na ebi no making sense none of them make sense say if these were the reason they are none of them makes any sense say what ya me nyina di how like how say see what ni kunu ne ma tu kwai say na teacher ni kuro aje 4,000 amount kwa etu kwai na Chief Justice did more than that amount only to me fan ni kunu ma etu I say na reason that is to me that it doesn't hold water e bia na entoaso am I know say suspension by na Mahama swear in some 7 Supreme Court judges Mama swear in past 7 and there was one man bia na on acting Chief Justice, I say now, they are suspending Chief Justice Torkono. It was a pro be esina and now on acting. Now Mahama I appointed or no as the acting Chief Justice now pay. Anyone also swear in a year in as a notary public. You can't notary public as the honor Supreme Court on or since signatures any other day you dear Simbia and I say case be on a person sign to certify everything. No. 80 Chief Justice, the acting Chief Justice. I didn't hear it. That's a now. Supreme Court, other than a husband and wife affairs. Other than a husband and wife, other than a couple's affairs. What they say? You're more position, you're acting. Now, you're the man now, what the database for there. What they say? You know what I mean? And my Chief Justice, any every right Justice Torkono, then he in suspension, or the guy assembly call Accra High Court of Appeal, or Odincho. What I say? Emma Wantiana, or to call West African Parliament. I want to still Odincho. A tiny penny because any mammy na bem emu na onya because enya nye ko dia West African Parliament na fa dia ne forget it it's mam's one tiana emo dia sem I was so UK not go UK no ana UK Bar Council Commonwealth lawyers actually Edi Abraham Mahama say opana e won so na Ghana president but untimi nya de opo Ghana hono o man nya wo dia Ghana nya wo dia you are just a president Ghana nya wo dia it no the suspended Chief Justice now or hono no Right Justice Torkono na was suspended no reinstate her with immediate effect. Reinstate her with immediate effect. No mono and the medias ebi eke can be chira Mahama pa.
Breaking news kasiya pa Chief Justice Torkono ebusiafo se say dey odi free man Ghana mu amfa wokọ ECOWAS ewososo anyeye se see dey odi edu UK aban UK Bar Council me bacho omo ma His Excellency John Mahama warn and said with immediate effect one year the offer Torkono ebusiafo asem no aye critical
oh Chief Justice Asemba John Mahama ye na memuo no say like a mampam so oya de enye na wo be wadwen say wo ye demonstration emfa omo Emra na eni Ghana na NDC for you any grassroots no kwase afo muntie mukuro mu ho na maton mo mara die emra nya adwuma wo Ghana ena yeye mu bi awrade ya adom na yenye mu afiri ko enti saa momra na enye adwuma ya na momfa ntra boda wo John Mahama odi Ghana fo nkwan so oni UK aban so na oni presidential wo baabi a na wode saa ne mmara fo no aba ba chi wo bi ada ya nipa na kana adwene eniema ekoso wo Ghana sis John Mahama na bedi wo ma we su dia ene ke yasan fa ye ho kwahye mmrafo ne san yasan konko asomu because na mamuo mu no wode Ghana enkoa bie ni wa kyen John Mahama mamuo ye wo mu ye ho na anu yi ana kwase mpani bi pia bonten beka se wo mo etu galamse no mo betwi tu asi wo mo so de kyen ya yakum nipa mensa ya mpampa ye bi tu akwakozi na wei ya mamuo ye de ye nchirima eye memu a yedi yesu ehuna na eye memu a da kye yetimi bodin edi tu ye mafo eniema ekoso o man ni mu nyina ye nkwase asem ye mama kwanya 2016 to 2024 na nado betra so mujimi ya promote nkwase asem saa ana mujimi mu ho a afa de mo ebeduru mu so de amo se de eduru mu so no da bi o aya na mkasa John Mahama no ye nipa cha na nado ana I don't get it. Maintain this for a grassroots na say. Ube hu oba bia na nim tantan tan ya na wa sorry. No ke kan kwase asem. No see I ena your friend say NDC for MPP for mo ye moa. Ena mo ye say no ke kan kwase asem sa wo wi a na ka me bo video bi a tro. But ababi e wono mantimi anyi. Bi refi. And MPP for mwa ena na wonhwe ma omonim NDC for ma nim tantan ema omhonya fe company enyema enya nko na gu NDC mu suban a omuni bi he atiritirasem eyenkodi ewu enkwase asem chasensam funko na oman no NDC for de kire emu youth na fe omukwa na kobubo wo mo de a ede na Chief Justice we ye a na o deserve sa ye hu demonstration ye bia papa we se chinchine atwan ye nya sami jamfi ma ne betena bonten a young boy like he to say sami jamfi akola keto we abukura ba mu to say sami jamfi o free se o ka se NDC amemu ye common ti kwanya mu akowro sora na ono ode ne nsesi ne bo na o kasa de ope o man Ghana no ye nyina ye de o e ya ba na etu yi John Mahama Ghana na nyo John Mahama de a o wo ho se hwesofo enti mmara na mudi ahye mu nsem na mudi di nsem hunu no aya mama ne nka Ghana wa na mmara wo obi krom ya ba betena obi krom more than many years ko 20 years 15 years na se fo untimi mfa wo Ghana mmara no ema metam obi se just a yinti enti mo NDC fo na mo de sa adwena ahye mutim ade akye a mo bo obi page ase betwerɛtwerɛ nkwase asem wie a na ye mo sam free se monkwase asem Ghana hwa na betu enso nko ba bia munni mommo asem na mo de monkoso ase ato aba mamo ena mo de mmara hye mo nsam ebe kaka woman rights nso be sori atia Ghana fo ye friend say NDC amamuo because mo mfa mmara nya adwo mutie tia manfo fa ahodie so ebe kaka ye gusu a report no e wo the whole a friend the whole world ebeye kakra no woman rights so ba be soviet obi ehia ne right e wo Ghana na nya modie o an ye nyina ye dia moti wona Kevin Taylor ti ne yire kitchen wona o decide obeke kan nkwase asemade e bechi na mafa na mode ye adwuma common sense for Kevin Taylor ne decide mam di nti munim say no ano no you can buy am 24 hours wo pa fa mo mpa mo ntena wo wona mbe mu sembara ye adwuma wo wiase obiti Ghana na ya to aba maso ye present a enka se fa yibe makobe gu ni hwenim ye to aba ma se leadership no ye for good example leadership ejina ho ma a good example man chirima enye de mo ye no semhunu akwa mo sori ana wudi semhunu saa abuka se Ghana no emre ni honi na mo de adwenti mo betrai ena ato NDC for youth no obi asori ana aba o pages no abe threato obi me na ya na ka me person ka mo be me threat am threat me obi pages no cry more than credibility for me more than that ebi chutu obi chu se ka ebi yesei makum nipa me kire ma adwene asiafo
What I say? Na ye nyina enim Sam George opposition ye nim how Sam George ezika sai yan so pen nipa nke kan adwenche nipa yan go raw enke kan adwenche nipa Sam George aya de pa obe kai say Baumia make his speech. Sam George got traditional television so I can say Baumia speech now one making or copy now 76 pages of nonsense.
Now, Bawumia goes around and takes credit in the first part of his speech. I have his speech here, 78 pages of nonsense.
Don't do that.
That's how you describe it. That's how you choose to describe it. How is that?
Absolute.
Outlining a vision, outlining policies,
73 pages
touting
of
achievements of
nonsense.
the government, and you describe it as
George, don't do
nonsense.
that. Don't do that.
Lantam, this is 73 pages of absolute
Don't let
nonsense.
us. Don't let us insult our.
Nobody's insulting anybody.
No.
Is that a fair description?
Listen,
It's not a fair description of someone's.
Don't play emotional blackmail.
No,
If something is nonsense,
is that a
it is
fair
nonsense.
description? I mean,
I'm going to tell
is that
you
a
why
fair
it is.
description
Yes, I'll
of
tell
the
you
vice
why.
president of the
Lantam,
country's
relax.
speech,
Relax.
outlining his vision for the people
Relax.
of the
What
country?
vision?
You can criticize the speech.
What
I would say
vision?
it's nonsense.
No, but if the speech is nonsense, it's nonsense.
How is it nonsense?
Because it does not make sense. Nonsense means it does not have sense. It is nonsensical.
That is Sam George for you. But it was out of nowhere. Sam George ever been mono. Now, as Sam George, I could interview me or case or per se or cleaning up the media. Just say or be a video did the attempt near the other or the Shebi bar or the bed cleaning up the media space. Just say, wow, account be a rota the editing penny for I don't know. Automatically, you better block your account any idea. You say Sam George, oh, can't same way. It was sure no eso. Now, I don't know if Sam George. When I work, I say, just say, why you the area? Edro bi so obi be dem wo bi ndie wo hunu nyanza sa tenu di enye jadon kan okura Sam George jadon kan okura yanti we case.
Now, Bawumia goes around and takes credit in the first part of his speech. I have his speech here, 78 pages of nonsense.
Don't do that.
That's how you describe it. That's how you choose to describe it. How is that?
Absolute.
Outlining a vision, outlining policies,
73 pages
touting
of
achievements
absolute nonsense.
of the government, and you describe it as
George, don't
nonsense.
do that. Don't do that.
Lantam,
You don't fight the soul of your country with lip service. You fight it with a brute force. Because I think enough education has gone for everybody to stop this thing so that we re-establish the area. People have been adamant. If it's a chief, Uchino or Nikrasia, Bonema.
Debbie.
Say because say Nkunu.
Debbie, menko.
Abakunipa.
Menko.
Research there.
Oh, media.
Menko.
Research near
In prescribing, no. Oko honoma emwa.
Research
So don't cry.
Debbie, what buying also? And a buying should help us get
easy. Young men we are actually a bit more on guarded state. Me say yes sir. Uchino if you know only 20 lashes.
Debbie.
But why do you think social media
why do you think that
I believe in instant discipline? We are with your money now court for what? Unnecessary. Shoot them and tell the next that don't do it. Okay. Or honor or tia on funny phone. And for my phone or social media. Cyber law, cyber crime, court.
Sam George a canfa Bawumia last year. Nyama Bawumia can ye a nonsense. Centroni ni stop no se on tieda. Wakan. Bit me abo videos of mumu bibre amakasa. Ntro nyama bibre. Yemumbi kan. Ye ni force 4 sembe na yanka enfa kufaru bebre kwa samu easy secretary of Greater Accra na okasa wo asempai munka chense mimisi di mikasa nko na obekan Sam George to make the whole vice president said nonsense or no nonsense. NDC secretary or Greater Accra say we secretary say we chairman. So obi a obeka nsem fa oba aban no ho bia enya yi no. Yen hwi no yen buru no. Really? No obi bomu a kamumu bia kra mu nti ase. Kasesemre kwa sa metem fi ya bona ma ne turumu ina soko. Sam George Okujeto Wanya machine names. We a country we are fighting for. Say growing queen with these people as a leaders. Kasam from Mankwan and Free. This person should be our leader. We have a money post and I could that body behind. Useless thinking. Senseless. Abaini yebeka na ase yenja yenkanda. Nothing can stop us. The yembu wo maobi. Yen can say me threaten maobi. Because more politicians in a mode sade way by. Tamna Kevin Taylor se mu ko to ya mu ko bo Kevin Taylor hu banya de ni ko to ko ni ko judge foi e ko ye ya ma Kevin Taylor ya ne freedom no. That dey no me be kan sem bi wa ha as a me prophet. Se sa de mu ye de ma twa sa papa. Anasa saboni o. Follow Nkorano, ebe follow. Na edu honwa, make nobody complain. Because Mama Kevin Taylor to me say, utimi didi atema na party bi ba pawa. Ye bo humban, ye ma to me. Kevin Taylor ne okasa wendi simwa. Nobody talk. Adidi atemu kwa no di yes for 8 years old. Na edu mumu so I would say obinka na notum. The wood you be nano. You guys are sick. Na security for na mu yusu omu for your side. It should be ready. So on beche ni pa bebre. Me ebina yekan. Pourquoi c'est coin? Pourquoi c'est un sawo? Accra to Kumasi coin. Ewo. Ye jai se ye kotwa kwan ewo baby fufro. Esa jai project we si ho. You know what this project ye wi a bit mi aboaye. Ye jai ko ye fufro. Wan wi na wo fi aban mu na ono so ba na wa jai de wo ye no na ye sei Ghana sika. O se ma ye nkan kire aban. Se de o ye no o wrong way. Omu yuso o madwi. Na timini ya do so ye ntimi nka. Buyari.
Ubetwa chira wadwe na amame. Ewa comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media. Agra.